waiting on a correction, but price haven't given us a correction actually, because it has been selling all through, and throughout last week it has been selling all the way down. So currently we can see that price is at a support level. Maybe I should just pull up my tools on the chart so I could be fluent with it. So you can see that from this point we bought all the way back to this point, and also from this area we bought all the way back up. So technically the trend is a bearish trend. So and the concept of trading that I use is ICC. I'm not forcing it on anyone, because trading strategy is due to how your character is. If you're impatient, you could go for scalping, and if you're the type that have patience, you could go for swing trading or day trading. So now we know that we're in a daily, we know that we're in a bearish trend. All we're looking for is a correction, because we already had this indication all the way from this point all the way down. Now we've been selling pretty hard, but then I don't think it's actually wise for us to sell at this point, but we're still going to watch it closely, because I really think that it's going to go all the way back up to its previous lower low that it broke out from, so that it could give us a clean and clear correction. So that is what I'm waiting on EU, and I made this setup last week, and if you watch my previous video which I posted last week, you could see that I was also waiting on that correction, but price just kept selling down all through the week, which was this that happened all over here. So right now I'm just waiting patiently, because I feel like it's going to go all the way down to test this neckline. Then, and if you look at it, it also aligns with our trend line, which is a bearish trend. So once we get to this point, that's when we want to start seeing what the candlestick is telling us, if it's going to form a pin bar, if it's going to form a bearish engulfing, so that's what we are aiming at the moment. But for now, I'm just watching the market. I don't trade on Mondays, that's why I didn't do anything on Monday. So, and if I should pull up my Fibonacci tool and mark it up from the highs down to this low, you can see that the 61.8 pretty aligns well with this zone. And I keep telling you guys that zones are kind of like areas. You don't have to look at it as a straight line. So if you look at it closely, you can see that the 61.8 aligns with the previous lower low that price actually initially broke out from, and also the 0.50 level. There's a zone right here where buyers were able to pick up interest in, which is this point. So right now we're just going to watch, and we're just going to wait. I think we have a couple of news coming out too, because you also have to check your fundamentals, and know what moves the market. So I'll just wait for it to get to 61.8 and have my trading alert on. So if you think this video is informative and educative, please do well to hit the like button and also subscribe.